Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, let's look at some run-on sentences. Run-on sentences should be broken up into two or more sentences. I have some real examples from my students' journals. I'll show you how to fix them by cutting them into more than one sentence. Here we go. This is example number 1. We follow the steps to see this amazing natural phenomenon, but because there is drought, so there's cracks on the rocks, I think if I touch it, then it will fall down. This is a run-on sentence. There is more than one complete sentence inside it. It should be broken up into more than one sentence. I'm going to ask you to pause the video at this point and look at this run-on sentence. Think about where should this sentence be cut up. All right, I hope you have your answer. The first idea here is we follow the steps to see this amazing natural phenomenon. They are arriving at this place. The second part is the reason for the cracks in the rocks. The reason is the drought. And the third part of this sentence is what might happen if it is touched. So here are the three ideas that we need to break into 3 sentences. We follow the steps to see this amazing natural phenomenon, period. There are cracks on the rocks because there is a drought. We can see with this part, we have too many connecting words in that green part. But, because, and so. I chose to use because here. I think if I touch it, comma, then it will fall down. See, we broke this run-on sentence into 3 separate sentences. All right, example number 2. I think in ancient times there was a sea because there are some plants like algae and there is a lot of quartz and volcanic rock. I took some. Again, this is also a run-on sentence. This sentence could be broken into 2 or 3 sentences. So pause the video again and take a look. Where would you cut this sentence up? All right, the first part is the ancient sea he is describing. The second part is other details, not about the sea. And the third part is what I did. I took some. The first sentence is perfect just like it is, just with a period at the end. The second part, there is also a lot of quartz and volcanic rock, other details. And finally, I took some. Pretty simple with this one. Cut it into 3 parts for each idea. And the third example. This week, my family and I went to Tiger Leaping Gorge in Shangri-La. It is amazing that all of this was made naturally. This is the last run-on sentence example. This example could be broken into 2 sentences, just 2. So again, I will pause and you can take a look. The first part is where they went, the family went to. Tiger Leaping Gorge in Shangri-La. And the second part is how amazing it is. This week, my family and I went to Tiger Leaping Gorge in Shangri-La. Period. That idea is finished. It is amazing that all of this was made naturally. It's a different idea. It should be a different sentence. All right, so thanks for watching, everyone. These are run-on sentences, and you can cut them up by putting them into more than one sentence. Also, please subscribe to this channel. It keeps me going, and I'll keep making more videos. Thanks again.